to my channel. So today is all about a unboxing from Balenciaga. So I basically bought these Balenciaga boots. These are my favourite boots that I've been wanting to purchase. These are an iconic style. But before I ramble on and I show you the shoes, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Do you want to find out more about fashion and beauty? Oh, you do? Okay, let's get into the video. So guys, these are the nice spandex ankle boots from Balenciaga. I'm going to tell you the story behind this first. So I've been wanting to purchase these boots because I've been wanting like a stretch slim boot forever, and I feel like Balenciaga were the first brand to come up with those kind of stretch boots with a little heel, and you can wear them with jeans, dresses, skirts, whatever the occasion. They also did the knee-high ones, and they also did a material one. But what I'm hearing from a lot of bloggers is that basically the material was wearing thin and it used to just rip. So I decided to go for the spandex ones. Now these have been out for a while now, and every season they get even more pricier and pricier and pricier. So as it currently stands, they are £875, guys. Get your wallets, get your coins, because they are not cheap, but I really wanted them. So these are a 36.5, and these are the boots. I've got some like pop socks in here because I was like, ooh, should I wear them with pap sack? And then they just come with a Balenciaga dust bag for each shoe. I bought them in Selfridges. Selfridges is my place to shop. I always buy things from Selfridges unless there's like a deal going on, and then I will buy them from somewhere else. But I always just tend to go to the shoe department in Selfridges or wherever, to be honest. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving them, and I can't wait to show you how I'm gonna style them. And I really do feel like I'll be wearing these a lot because they're just a classic boot. So I'm going out today, I'm wearing this like just this black polo neck. I've got some frame jeans on, and I'm gonna wear them with a leather jacket and then just these boots. So yeah, let me show you how I styled them.
Oh my god, guys, sincere apologies for the quality. I shot this on an iPhone X. Why is it looking so raggedy? Anyway, I wore these Balenciaga boots with this Laura Lee leather jacket, my Ralph Lauren polo neck, frame denim jeans. These are my favourite black jeans, and just these Balenciaga booties. But I hope you like the way I styled these boots. I will probably be styling them more as it gets into spring, maybe with some dresses and a skirt, something like that. Please let me know in the comments below if you like the way I styled it, or you have some tips on styling these booties, because I'm open to suggesting, guys. Just wanted to add how super comfortable these boots are. I went to a meeting earlier on today, and I also went to Sketch for some tea, was walking around London, did a little bit of shopping with my friend, and literally the most comfortable boots. Even my friend was like, are you okay? I'm like, girl, these are so comfortable.
But yeah, that was just a quick unboxing video. There's not really much you can talk about in an unboxing video. So when I see like bloggers going on and on and on, and it's like 27 minutes, it's like, what are you talking about, babes? Just unbox the shoe and let us see the shoe and let us know the price. And yeah, I also got these in a 36.5 in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, guys, if you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from the video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can purchase these boots from. I think a few places have them on sale, so I will somehow find them if they are on sale. If not, I'll show you the full price link. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember to always say what, guys? Bougie.